I want to get changed. It's sort of chilly. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today is your birthday. It is 11:15 on Wednesday here. Actually, I think it's Wednesday for you too. Are we aligned? I love when we're aligned. Literally could not live without my content calendar. Could not. How are we this far into September already? Like, it's only September 15th right now, but it'll be September 22nd when you're seeing this. And even September 15th sounds insane. This year is going so fast. Oh my God, it's sort of stressful. But I'm very excited for our little activity today because I want to decorate a little bit around our apartment for fall, pull out my decorations bin and make it happen. I am pretty pumped. Oh, and then the fall stuff can just stay out until it's Christmas. Oh, I'm so excited for Christmas, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay, it's fine. Hold it together, Jill. I've been working for the past few hours here, getting some stuff done. You guys know the drill. And I'm currently looking to see if there are any donation boxes near me, but there are not. So I'm gonna have to Uber to a Goodwill or something. Or I don't know, I do think that Connor and I are gonna have a car pretty soon. Like maybe sometime next month. If not next month, then definitely in November. So maybe I just like throw those in my closet for now and I'll just donate them once I have a car and I can just drive myself there. I don't know. Or maybe I'll go thrifting. Like maybe I should bring them to a Goodwill and then thrift while I'm there. I don't know. This is another day's problem. Not right now. And probably not until October, honestly, because it is crazy how quick time is about to go by before I'm in Toronto. Like I keep looking at the calendar and it's sort of stressful actually. I'm gonna be in Vegas Friday through Sunday, and then I have just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and then I am off to Toronto on that next Friday. Oh, I'm so excited though. It's going to be amazing. I cannot wait to be there. There's so much to do, so many plans. It's gonna be really fun. I'm just actually about to sit down and figure out what my vlog schedule is gonna look like while I'm there. I'm thinking, okay, so the first week I'm there will be like probably LA vlogs still, because I'm usually a week ahead on vlogs just because it helps me with like editing and all of that. And then the next week I'm there will be like my first week in Canada, and I think we'll do 3 vlogs. And then potentially the week after that, it'll be my second week in Canada, and I'm gonna be with Tara that whole week. So I'm like, do I just ball out and do like 5 vlogs? Just like daily uploads, but that's TBD. It just really depends on what we have planned, but I feel like we're gonna be doing so much that I sort of want to. I don't know, because we also don't have a specific plan. I really feel like that's gonna be like an audible call, like just in the moment, figuring out what we're gonna do. Did I use that correctly? Audible? I think that's a sports term. Calling an audible. Change of plans in the moment. What does calling an audible mean? Okay, to change plans at the last minute based on newly revealed information. Yes, so I guess I will be calling an audible. So it's nice, my week is, or my day is not crazy busy. Right now what I'm gonna do is work on editing Friday's vlog. That way I can just like get that off my plate. Going to be very convenient. Probably have lunch after that. I had to edit a Monday vlog on here, but the day is really flying by, so TBD if that ends up happening. But that would be great if I got next week's vlog done as well. And then yeah, I do want to sit down and plan some vlogs out for October and while I'm in Toronto and try to figure out like what that schedule will look like, in particular for that first week that I'm in Toronto, because it's gonna be a lot more of like hanging with Connor's friends and also hanging with Connor's family and my family. And so it's gonna be like a little bit, obviously I'm gonna see Tara too, like right away when I get there, duh. But you know, I do need to think about how that all sort of fits together and what exactly I'm gonna be filming. I just haven't seen Connor's family and most of his friends for like 2 years. So one, like we're all out of practice with like me doing stuff like this, and 2, I just don't, like I want to be in the moment, you know, and enjoying my time with these people who I haven't gotten to see for a really, really long time. I'm so excited. Anyway, I don't even know what the heck I just talked about, if any of this clip will even be in the vlog. I'm just gonna get to it, get to the editing, the never-ending task, constantly editing. his poke bowl for lunch today. We had some leftover ahi tuna steak, so I used that. Kimchi, avocado, cucumber, and some leftover rice that we had. I think it's gonna be very yummy. Should we try a bite? I'm sort of excited. There's also like 2 kinds of rice in here because we had 2 kinds. So there's a little bit of sticky white rice, and then there's also some crab fried rice, which will be really good. So good. And let's find something to watch. Got my vlog done though. It's exporting. I'm not gonna get around to the Monday vlog, but that's okay. It's not a big rush. It's only Wednesday. But I do have some other stuff that I want to finish up today. And then Connor is going out to dinner tonight with some friends, so I'm getting a little solo night here. It's perfect for our decorating adventures that we're gonna go on. I think we're gonna watch Teen Mom during lunch and save Bachelor in Paradise for tonight. Sounds like a good plan.
Look at this cat. Always down to cuddle, huh?
All right, friends, this day flew the F by. I seriously have no idea how we got here, but it is 5:50 p.m. Let me check how my to-dos are looking, actually. I did that. Okay, this is not so bad. I did like a lot of what was on my list. I do, really quickly, the last thing I want to do is work a little bit on my October content calendar. And that's like sort of fun anyway to do, so I'm gonna work on that. I think I'm gonna work on, I need to still get some stuff up on Poshmark. By the way, I posted a ton of new stuff on Poshmark by the time you're seeing this from my closet clean out, which I posted last week. So I need to finish getting that stuff up, or at least like get a couple more up, and then I can do a couple more tomorrow if I don't get them all done. This cat, I feel so good. And then we're gonna work on some fun decorating. I think I'm gonna wait until Connor leaves. He should be leaving at around like 6:45-ish. So that's in like an hour. And once he's gone, then we'll work on getting some decorations going. But I'm very excited. Like, I don't know where I'm gonna put everything or like how everything's gonna get laid out, because it's a whole new world here in this apartment, so it's gonna be fun. So anyway, there you have it. I'm just gonna finish up this last thing, and then I will probably check in with you guys when we work on some decorating. 7:20 p.m., done with work, had a nice little chat with my father on the phone, and now we are on to decorating. So I have my bin here in the closet, and we just have to move all this other shit to get it out. So that's gonna be fun. Let's do it. Christmas wreath. Can't wait for you. Remove as little of this as possible, but I don't know, this whole thing might come crashing down. Oh yeah, there it goes. All right, fine. Take you all out. Come on. Everybody together. Oh, Connor's old PlayStation. Holy shit, that's heavy. We're in. Sort of. Okay, there we go. Yay! And I'm always smart, because I'm a very smart girl. And I put the fall stuff on top after Christmas. Mwahaha. Oh my god, I don't even remember everything that I have in here. I'm so excited. Let's have a look. Fall candle. Love it. Of course, my little candy bowl that I like to have filled up with some sort of Halloween candy. Candy corn, obviously. Cute little pumpkin. A little blue ceramic pumpkin. Of course, my favorite thing, my jack-o'-lantern. So freaking cute. I love that. And honestly, that might be it. I think these are ornaments. Yeah, I think that's literally it. I don't do a lot of stuff for fall. I'm not a big fall gal. Not that into like Halloween or anything like that, really. It's not for me. You guys know I am Christmas 24/7. Let's decorate. So we only have like a few little things here, obviously. I'm thinking that I'm obviously gonna put like some stuff along here, maybe some stuff in the shelves here, and probably that's it. Maybe something on the sideboard that we have here, just to like spice it up a little bit. Maybe, what would look good? I just feel like this is like brown, it's like a lot of brown. We have a lot of dark brown happening in our place. So I feel like this is just like maybe too, although I don't know, just maybe, just a little something there, just to bring in a little fall spirit. Why not? So we have 2 pumpkins, a candle, and the candy bowl. Okay, I'm thinking jack-o'-lantern over here. Then we have these nice lights. I guess I should probably plug in the lights first, then I'll mess around with the placement. There's PlayStation rocket ship. Okay, let's move these flowers. I think these are getting in the way a little bit. So, plug her in. Okay. Oh, I see what the problem here. Plug that baby in. Okay. Yes. I love it. Okay, then I feel like this can just sort of shift a little bit. That can come in here like that. Oh, I usually did, let me back up. Found it. Okay, I have this old looking book that I got from like the, I don't know, some It Too thing that I did, and it has like a ton of like stuff in it about It Too. But if you turn it this way, it just looks like sort of an old creepy book. Halloween. You get the vibe? So what I used to do is stack this on here to give it a little extra height. We have the little blue pumpkin. We have the candy bowl. This can definitely get rearranged a little. So I'm thinking what we're gonna do, this should be like maybe, or maybe this goes up here, little candy bowl up on top of there. And then I feel like the pumpkin should be like up here somewhere. Sort of this vibe. Okay, cute little fall vibe, just little touches here and there, nothing too crazy. I'll have to get some candy corn to put inside of here because I want to snack on candy corn, obviously. We have our cute little jack-o'-lantern, very adorable. And then lastly, just our little pumpkin. How cute. Now that we have that all set up, we gotta check out what the vibes will be like when the candles are lit, sunset lamp is on, you know, like full cozy mode. Do you guys remember? OGs will remember my cozy mode. Oh, I forgot I can't use this lighter with one hand. I'm just like not strong enough. Oh, finally. Gotta get this guy now. Oh man, this lighter is so hard to use for some reason. Got that. Sunset lamp gets turned on, and let's get our hue light bulb going. Yes. Okay, and now lights off. I love it. Oh man, look at this vibe. Look at how gorgeous this is. The little lights behind giving me old apartment vibes in the best way. Our little jack-o'-lantern. Yes, candles. A little kitty on a shelf. What are you doing there? You Harry Potter kitty? That's cute. Our cute little vibes up here, this gorgeous lighting that this combo creates, which I'm just obsessed with. And we can't forget about this cute little guy over here, just bringing a little spice into the entrance area. I'm obsessed. I love it. It's so good. And now we should probably make dinner. It's almost 8 o'clock, so definitely time to figure out what I'm even gonna eat. I do not know yet, so let me do a little brainstorming, but this was so fun, you guys. Okay, I just spent like a solid 20 minutes in the kitchen and just really came up with nothing. I'm feeling super uninspired, so I'm just gonna do my like normal little dumpling dish thing. It sounds yummy, it's quick, it's easy. That'll be great. Okay, dinner is served, looking so good. I did some kimchi on the side. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm very glad that I did this in the end. Have my little side of gyoza sauce, and I'm going to watch Bachelor in Paradise, and I have to say I am very sorry that you have to see that. But if I have to see it, so do you, so. It is such a vibe in here. I am obsessed. Look at my little cat. Hi, precious. You love using anything as a pillow, right? No matter what it is. Right now, Connor's laptop. I love it.